Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Google Pixel Buds with your Windows PC. So first you have to open this charging case and then click and hold this button. Wait until it starts blinking quickly. There we go. Okay, never mind. Let's repeat. So right now we have to open the Bluetooth settings. Bluetooth and devices. Click to add device and select Bluetooth. And click on the Pixel Buds Pro. Select them from the list. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.